Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 10th of March. I'm James Spann. Very mild weather continues through the weekend. Rain chances are there, but it looks like it might be Saturday night or Sunday before the really widespread rain gets in here. The main action stays to the west. A lot of questions. Let's see if we can give you some answers. Here we go. The water vapor satellite view. Deep, anomalous, upper low over Mexico. And one problem with this, it's not on the American Upper Air Network, and there's sparse data in that region, so often those can be problematic for the computer models, but clearly in advance of that, it's still very messy this morning and wet from Texas up through the Mississippi Delta into parts of Indiana and Ohio, the old atmospheric river. But Alabama, quiet early this morning as the rain just wants to stay to the west. Starting off the day in the 60s, we'll expect a high in the 70s in most spots today, and like yesterday, there might be a few spots around 80 this afternoon, about 15 degrees above average. Around the nation, it's colder back in the northern plains, but that's not going to reach us anytime soon. We stay mild on through most of next week. Very messy flash flooding problems west of the state. All those darker maroon colors, those are parishes and counties under flash flood warnings. The counties in green, those are flash flood watches, including much of South Mississippi, but no part of Alabama involved. There is a wind advisory down in southwest Alabama. The winds will be rather gusty today, much like last night and yesterday with a tight pressure gradient. A marginal risk of severe weather for Mississippi and Louisiana, parts of South Texas, but not here. Tomorrow, general thunder, perhaps over West Alabama, and day 3, which is Saturday. No severe weather outlook. That's the good news with this setup. We should escape with no severe weather, no flooding problems. You can see that really tight gradient across the state. Down around Mobile, they might wind up with 2 inches of rain, but clearly the big numbers stay west, up and down the Mississippi River. East Alabama, under 1/2 inch. So here we go. This is today at noon off the GFS. You can see the big upper low down below Brownsville, Texas. The bulk of the rain stays west. Although if you're in West Alabama, you might catch some rain. This is the high-resolution HUR, and it's pretty good. This evening at 6 o'clock, and it's got rain west of a line from Decatur to Tuscaloosa and Demopolis. So if you are in far west or northwest Alabama, you could clearly see some rain later today and tonight. But tomorrow, same thing. The big rains stay west. This is the high-res NAM at noon, really not showing all that much. So, yes, a chance of showers today and tomorrow, but for a pretty good chunk of the state, it's not going to rain much. The better chance of getting rain will be over that western quarter of the state, along and west of US 43. And really, during the day Saturday, I'm not convinced it rains that much. The main rain axis still a tad west of the state. So, like we talked about yesterday, if you got some outdoor plans, it's certainly a lot better. Now, understand, yes, there's a chance of showers, but you might escape with a decent chunk of the day dry. This is 12 noon on Saturday, coming off the high-res NAM. And again, it's just not showing that much. But finally, the trough fills and lifts out. This is Saturday night at midnight. Pretty good band of showers coming through, maybe some thunder, but no severe weather. And then Sunday, the most widespread rain really by afternoon, maybe shifting a bit north and east of here. So, and again, this could change because this upper low is in a difficult spot down there, but for now it looks like the most widespread rain could be Saturday night into Sunday morning. And we stay mild, highs across the board in the 70s. Monday, some residual moisture. Next little wave comes along, maybe a few rain showers Monday, nothing too heavy. And then Tuesday we are dry. Temperatures way up there, upper 70s. Wednesday, there's a front you can see approaching from the northwest. And here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 17th. That's a pretty good trough, and the cold front comes through with a chance of showers and storms. There's no really tight surface low involved here, so it doesn't look like a major severe weather threat, but just something to watch anytime. March, April, May, you have to watch. This is the end of the forecast period. Saturday, March 19th, trough axis a little to the east, and that's a cooler look for us. Anomalies, March 17th through the 23rd, a little above average, and you can see the numbers coming down in the ensemble guidance here after about March the 17th, toward the end of next week and the following weekend. Highs dropping in the low 60s and lows dropping in the 40s. Still no sign of a late season freeze here, but just something to watch. And again, As I've said many times, I advise don't plant anything that might be harmed by a freeze until after April 15th. There's a guy that's been here for a long time. That's wise counsel. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.